The biggest challenges in facing the automotive industry in Nova Scotia are people. Technicians, a lot of us are getting older. We're not eventually going to end up not working unless we start finding younger people who want to get into the trade is going to be in very dire straits.
Skill sets can be quantified and qualified, and employers can have confidence in the quality and consistency of the training required. Candidates will also have confidence in the program that provides the training and knowledge required to enter the industry at an entry level and possibly an opportunity to move up through apprenticeship into becoming a licensed journey person.
I believe it brings value as employers that are hiring tire and maintenance technician be confident in the person that they are hiring if they have their certification, and it is a stepping stone to further the career in the automotive industry.
I think value to the industry is brought by being able to hire well-educated, qualified, motivated individual to the auto service bay.
It is a great stepping stone for the people that get certified if they want to go on further as an automotive service technician.
And I always say that the only thing between your vehicle and the road are your tires. And it's really important to know that they're going to support you and keep you safe.
Whether you have experience in the automotive industry or not, participants are welcome to apply to this entry-level program to work in Nova Scotia's automotive industry as a tire and maintenance technician. Assessors will determine what you know and what you can do and recommend any necessary additional training you might need. For more information, contact Nikki at automotivesectorcouncil.ca.